Woohoo! Now we're talking! Bring it on!
I'm Shadow the Hedgehog. Chaos Control!
Nothing can stop you now. No ghost to bring you down. There's nothing left to lose. You win. Suffer long and it will set you free. Only through trial you will find the strength you need. It's never over, just another day.
Now that was sweet, Shadow!
Yeah, well, I'm not here to save you.
Thought you
Don't try to deceive me. What? You have no desire for revenge. You only crave destruction.
All hail Shadow. Heroes rise again.
Now that you cannot hope to stop me with your limited power.
So you say.
It's futile. The world will betray you. Why fight on? Why risk your life for those who will persecute you later?
Where chooses to become I am. I will fight like I always have.
Well, Shadow, I'm very impressed you made it this far.
Black Doom, your rule ends here, and it ends now!
So you're behind all this. Like it or not, the game's over.
Fools. The Black Arms are more than superior. We are perfect. Do you really think you have any real chance of defeating us?
It's you who should be scared, Black Doom. I made a promise to Maria to save the planet she loved so much, and I will!
Then get ready to die. Let me show you the ultimate power in the universe.
Finally, I've got all the Chaos Emeralds.
Shadow. This isn't over yet. The Black Arms will rise again.
Let's do this!
I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, and I made a promise that I intend to keep. With the power of these emeralds, Black Doom and his army are finished. This is who I am.